Hi, I'm Eric Alexander, Application Engineer here at Purple. On this edition of 30 on 3D, I want to talk to you about Purple Platypus University, affectionately called PPU by our team. Through PPU, we offer comprehensive training classes on every 3D printing technology, and we're the only authorized Stratasys Training Center in the US. So, why does advanced training matter? When you buy a printer, you're making an investment. Training allows your company to access the full capabilities of your 3D printer. It broadens your team's skill sets, and it helps you increase throughput. In short, advanced training is critical to maximizing the ROI on your 3D printer. We offer 5 categories of training. The first is Stratasys Authorized courses. These are short, one-day classes that cover the highest priority items. Think system best practices, advanced software workflows, and preventative maintenance activities. The second is Stratasys Certified courses. These are multi-day, hands-on classes that dive deep into the system, software, maintenance, and post-processing. These courses cover everything from color model considerations with PolyJet to advanced support generation with DLP. The content and structure of these classes are identical to the Stratasys trainings in Minnesota. These courses are all prerequisites for Stratasys' Level 3 trainings. The third is NOCD certified courses for educational institutes. This training is designed to set your institution apart. It gives you the content to build out a full 3D printing curriculum. As an instructor, you will receive third-party credentials to teach the course, and your students will receive a third-party certificate upon course completion, giving them a competitive advantage in the job market. The fourth is Formlabs authorized courses. Like the Stratasys authorized courses, these are short, one-day classes that cover the highest priority items. They're designed to help you quickly maximize use of your printer. The last option is a fully custom course. For this, our team of application experts build out a complete curriculum for your team. We'll focus on your specific 3D printer, application, design files, and business needs. Okay, now that we've covered the course categories, let's talk about class types. There are 3 options. The first type is open enrollment. With this, you're getting the exact same content, however, you're taking the training with other companies, and it's on a preset date. The second type is exclusive for your company. With this, we tailor the content in the course to your needs, and our instructors use your design files. The course is scheduled on a custom date, and it is just your team in the room. We designed this offering to let you dive deep into your application and get the most out of the training. The last type is Exclusive Plus. With this, you get all the benefits of our exclusive course, a course tailored to your needs with your design files. You also get a year of application engineering support and an on-site technical visit. This is our most robust offering, designed to fully maximize your 3D printer use. Our team has found that training is essential to long-term success. If you're interested in learning more, give us a call or explore our full course catalog using the link below.